Hi, everybody. We are going to talk about how to save a document. And in class, you will get this tomorrow. This is called a USB. Again, this is called a USB, and it opens like this. And don't be afraid, you probably can't break it. It might go bad at some point, but you won't break it. So this part of it, it plugs in to the side of your computer, and you want to put the Kirkwood side. This side will be face up, and it slides into the side of your computer, and I'll show you how to do that tomorrow in class. But this is a place that you can store your documents. So store, remember, means to keep, and this is a USB. So this is a USB, and it is to store your documents. I am going to share my screen now. And what you're going to do, remember to open Microsoft Word, is you will double click on Microsoft Word. And then go to blank document. You will double click on blank document. And now we have our workspace where we can type a note. And last week, we also talked about the font. Remember that the font is up here. This is the font. And you can change it by pulling down on it. And you can, so one of my favorite fonts is Comic Sans. So let's see. This is one of my favorite fonts. And then if I want to change the size and make it bigger, I click on the number next to it. And let's do 28. And now I'm ready to go to my cursor. Remember, cursor is what tells me that I'm ready to type. And I can say, hi, class. Today, we will open Microsoft Word, change the font in Microsoft Word, and save our document in Microsoft Word. Okay, so we have 3 things that we will be doing in our class on Tuesday, January 30th. And we need to, again, have our USB. We're going to open it up and slide it into a USB port on our computer. You should hear a little click when you put it in. And then what you will do is, after you've typed something, you're going to come up here to the File tab. So click one time on the File tab, and we're going to go down to the Save As button. Okay. And once you click on Save As, I want you to click on the folder that says Browse. Browse means to look. Okay. And then over on your left, you should see something that says Removable Disk E. Click on Removable Disk. Okay, so you have to click on the left side to the removable disk, And then up here at the top, it says drive. It has a picture of a drive, and then an arrow, then a computer, then another arrow, then removable disk. And to save your document, you're going to come to File Name, and click once in the box. And I'm going to call this Tuesday, January 30. And after I type in what I want to call it, I'm going to come down here to the word save and click save, and then it disappears. Okay, so we're going to go back through and do everything one more time so you can see stuff. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use a blue light this time. Maybe. Not. Okay, so I'm going to double click on Microsoft Word. I'm going to open a blank document. So I'm going to double click on the blank document. I am going to come up to the top and change my font. You can choose whatever font you want. And then I am going to change my size and say the steps for saving a document. 1. Oh, here. Click on File. Click on Save As. Now, I might need to remember what I need to do. So again, I'm going to come over here to File, click. I want to save as. And remember that I wanted to go to the word browse, which means to look for. And I need to go to the left side and find okay, so we lost a connection there. So again, we are saving it at this point. So we went from, we need to find this button that says removable disk. Click on it. And then if you like what it puts in automatically, you can save it like that. But I'm going to change it to steps for saving a document. The little things in between the words that I'm putting in are called underscores. And to do that, you click the Shift key and then the button right by the 0, the dash button, and that makes an underscore. That just puts everything together for us. You don't have to save your documents like that, though. That's just how I do it. Okay, and then we go back here. So after we click on Save As, we're going to go to the right and click on the folder that is titled browse. Choose removable disk E from the left, and then we will put a title of our document. So that's called naming your document. It and click, and then click save. Okay, so these are the steps for saving a document, and we will do this together in class tomorrow, but I also wanted you to have a chance to practice before. Everybody does get a USB drive, and we will be talking about the vocabulary as well tomorrow. So I will see you in class, and have a great